Leroy James 983. The Wixsite Com Freelance Service Limited. Marketing campaign planning is the strategic process of designing, organizing, and implementing marketing activities to achieve specific business objectives. It involves setting clear goals, identifying target audiences, developing a message and create a strategy, choosing the right mix of channels, budgeting, and scheduling. Here's a breakdown of the main stages. 1. Define objectives. Clearly outline the purpose of the campaign. Objectives may include increasing brand awareness, driving sales, growing market share, launching a new product, or enhancing customer loyalty. Effective objectives are SMART: specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Key takeaways. Effective marketing campaign planning requires a blend of strategy, creativity, data analysis, and flexibility. A well-executed plan ensures a smooth campaign rollout, optimizes resources, and maximizes impact on the target audience. Elevate your brand with our exceptional marketing campaign planning service. We craft ingenious, tailor-made solutions to capture your target audience's attention across the international stage.
Visit our website Toady and get any of our serifs and get any item such logo business card marketing pack business plan template art cover. But that all we have over 4,000 different services what you if look build own campaigns. We have get you cover rely on our industry expertise to develop compelling strategies that boost your brand awareness. Partner with us to conquer new latitudes of success.